Security.
All NOS, all your base, all belong to us.
Security.
Everybody in the place, secure your router. But don't think you're safe. We cracking it, let's go. I'm on the web, I'm on the web. Everybody look at me, cause I'm cruising on the web. I'm on the web, I'm on the web. Take a good hard look, secure your motherfucking web.
I'm logged on my router, changing defaults and shit, straight in my browser. Easy as it can get, hitting 8 megs, but only 1 meg up. You can't stop me, motherfucker, cause I'm surfing on the web, yeah.
Turn on the web trick, flip the SID, bitch. Enabling Mac filtering to help secure it. I got my broadcast off, my firewall's up, I'm surfing web pages, your Wi-Fi's unrestricted like your mom.
I'm on the Wi-Fi, downloading clips and shit, the network's slowing, getting everybody all pissed, but this ain't the 90s. My traffic's prioritized. I'm on the web, motherfucker, and you just got tried.
I'm on the web and it's going fast, and I got me some static IP address, and I'm securing the network, closing ports not used like what I did to your mom. Better report abuse.
Tell your mom I said thanks.
Fuck web, I'm on a land, motherfucker. Fuck web, I patched in, motherfucker. I'm on the network with my boys, motherfucker. This boss router blinks lights, motherfucker. Protect your shit. This threat is real.
Yeah, I never thought I needed protection. Cruising porn sites with an erection. Mom, please turn away. My palms on hairy. I never thought I'd see the day a lack of antivirus made me pay. Believe me when I say I need PC first aid. PC first aid. Security.
Peace the fuck out.